Today at Makeshift Crate, we're making an address sign. Hey, I'm pouring this makeshift crate, and today we're gonna make a house sign. That's not right. Whatever it's called. Address sign. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, a while back when we redid the lamp, which we'll have linked up here for out front of our house, originally I was gonna put a little plaque on it that had our house number. For whatever reason, I forgot to do that. So I got some cedar. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so we cut through like a couple spots just because it was easier to do that than try to follow the whole profile. These are going to be painted black anyway, which we're getting ready to go do. But that was why we did it. Just make it easier. Okay, 2 coats. That should totally be sufficient for this. So once we hang these on the pole, we got these S-binder clips. I think typically you would probably do this with chains. I didn't feel like doing this. This was like one stop, like hook it to this, done. This slips right over the pole outside, done. This will hang just fine. Stainless steel, even if it's not, it's painted. This will last a while. Stop. Like a time. Okay, probably need like 2 or 3 more coats of this and get this thing hung up. That's awesome. That's super cool. So happy with how this turned out. I wish I would have gotten bigger S-clips, but I don't see any reason why it should come off, and I can always get bigger ones down the road. For right now, it'll work perfectly. I think that's a great addition to this pole. If you guys would like to see more woodworking projects, we're gonna have a playlist over here for you. Google's gonna suggest something for you down here. I don't know what it's gonna be. You can subscribe here, and we'll be back in next week for a new video.